Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I have easily the smallest haul I've ever had on this channel, and that is because I've been kind of cutting down my shopping, as well as I also went to the movie wardrobe sale, so I already did a whole video on that with a little mini haul. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below if you want to see like the other stuff that I got this month. But for this stuff, I don't really have too many. I did want to show them to you guys because they are like amazing, so I'm really happy with them. The very first thing that I have is this amazing green dress, and I got this off Etsy, and it is just like incredible. Like, I'm so excited to wear it. I haven't worn it yet, and it is this like bright like leprechaun green dress, and it's a fit and flare kind of dress, and it has all these like floral embroidery on it, and I think it's just so beautiful, and it definitely reminded me of the dress that Ali wears in The Notebook when she's walking down the street. It literally looks so similar, so I'm thinking of doing like The Notebook inspired kind of video if you guys want to see that. It has this like really cool like V-shaped neckline, which I normally don't go for, but I think it actually is very flattering in this particular dress. So the next thing that I have is a little matching set, and it's not, the silhouette is not something I would normally buy, but it was like $18 off Etsy and like free delivery or something, so it was a really good deal, and it was amazing condition, and I was like, okay, for the top part, like I would pay $18 anyway, so I'm just gonna go for it. So this is what the top looks like. It's like a little gingham little crop top, and it looks like this, and it has this like kind of flower daisy kind of print on it, which I think is really cute. So this would look really cute with like a pair of like a denim mini skirt or something. And the matching piece is a long skirt, so this is the only part that I'm kind of like on the fence about. It is this really long gingham like skirt, and it has again the little flower daisy patch on the bottom. So I was debating if I should keep it long or if I should hem it and just kind of move the patch up so that it's like a mini skirt, and then just move that up. I think that would look really cute as well. So let me know, do you think I should keep it long? Do you think I should hem it? What I do like about it being long is that I can kind of like lay around in the grass or something and be a little bit more casual, and it is something different, but I do kind of like mini skirts, so I'm kind of on the fence about it. So let me know in the comments below. The next thing that I have is a pair of pants, and you are going to think I'm absolutely insane because it's almost June and I bought a pair of like wool pants, and you will see why, because they are just incredible. I again got this off Etsy, and it is just amazing. It is like a green, red, yellow, and white pair of pants, and they're going to be so warm for the winter. You guys know I'm not a big pants person. Like in the winter I usually end up wearing like a skirt or a dress with tights or something, but these pants just caught my eye. The waist was the perfect size, the length was the perfect size, and they are more of like a wide kind of flare at the bottom. It also comes with a little matching belt. But I just think it's like so cute, and it adds so much color to any outfit, which you guys know I'm like all about. The next thing that I have is a bag from Etsy, and I've been shopping a lot on Etsy actually because I've been trying to like cut back on the amount of like fast fashion shopping I'm doing. So I've been going more like the vintage secondhand kind of like route, and obviously Etsy is the easiest one to do if you can't find things in like the actual store. So I got this little bag, and it looks like this. So it is like a cream colored bag, and it's made out of like a bazillion little beads, and it has this kind of like a rose like embellished on it with the beads. I don't know if I would say that is embellished, but it has the exact same thing on the back as well. The handle again is made out of the exact same beads, and then on the top it has like this little flap with these gold like scalloped edge on it. So that's how you open it. So you flip that up, and then you just open it. The interior is absolutely like perfect. There's not even a single mark on it. It looks like it wasn't even used at all. The last few things that I have, I actually debated if I should even mention them in this haul because they are for winter. So I was like, I shouldn't even bother because like literally no one cares about winter stuff anymore. But this haul was very small, so normally I wouldn't include these pieces because they're so out of season. But I got a really good deal on them, so I thought I would just share them with you because I literally have no more things to show you. So the first thing that I got is this little scarf, and it is like a Hudson's Bay striped scarf. The base color on it is the navy, so it'll look really cute with those navy coats with the gold buttons. I think that would look super cute. The next scarf that I got is more of a bright blue pastel, like light blue, white, and black. So this would have been really cute for like the start of the spring or something. It's really, really soft. This was from Topshop. The last thing that I have for this haul is this set of 3 different like thick scarves. So these are really great because you can kind of wear them as a shawl as well. So if you need something to go over top of a dress or something, you can wear this if it's like a lot colder. So like for this beginning of the spring, this would have been really great. As well as going into the fall, like this orange color is going to be amazing. And then if it's super, super cold, you can kind of layer it like to cross over top of your shoulders and just be really bundled up underneath a jacket. I think that's going to be really great, especially this baby blue one, because you can kind of wear it with like a cream whitish kind of coat and have like a winter wonderland kind of look. Again with this kind of greeny kind of color, I think that would be really pretty with that color combination as well. So yeah, believe it or not, that is pretty much it for today's video. I don't really have any more pieces to show you for this haul. Like I said, I am trying to cut back on the amount of things that I'm buying, which has been really good for me. I'm really trying to like cut down and like have a clearer vision of how I want to dress and like the things that I want to buy instead of just playing around so much. As much as I do love playing around, it is really great to have a clearer vision, I think. Let me know in the comments below which piece is your favorite, as well as make sure you follow me on Instagram because I do post so many outfit photos that you guys don't get to see on this channel. So make sure you follow me on there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!